Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got my Boxycharm Premium in the mail, so I figured I would go ahead and get this filmed. I love to upload these as soon as possible for you guys. I was gonna wait until I got my regular Boxycharm, but that one's not coming till next week, so I didn't want to put it off too much because sometimes it's nice to be pretty quick with these and then you guys can kind of see what I'm getting. I believe this is my purchased box. Sometimes they send me a PR box as well, but I do pay for my own subscription as well. This one is $35 a month. They have the small Boxycharm, and then this is like the bigger one that you can do monthly, and usually you get a better value with this one. So let's go ahead and see what we got this month. I know we did get to pick an item. Usually they do one choice item, but I honestly do not remember what I picked out. It was a few weeks ago, so we're both gonna be surprised here. I always get asked like my shipping info, and if I have that, I will link it down below with the weight and everything. So the theme this month is candy shop. We got a cute little card here. Okay, now that I'm looking in here, I remember what the choice item was. And I'll be honest, I have been somewhat debating if I want to cancel the premium and just do the regular box, because I feel like the regular box is always my favorite. I do think Boxycharm is an amazing subscription, and you definitely get a bang for your buck. But for me, I do see a lot of these items at TJ Maxx. I'm a frequent TJ Maxx shopper. I'm there like every other day. So I don't know if it's completely worth it for me, but we will see. I did stay for this month because now I remember we were getting some Kosas items, which I was like, whoa, that was pretty cool. I haven't seen Kosas in any subscription, so I did want to continue with it. And maybe they'll hook me again next month. It just kind of depends what the choice item is to see if I want to stay. But overall, I do really enjoy Boxycharm, and I think you get some good stuff for your money. So this is the choice item. This is the Kosas Tinted Face Oil, and I was wanting to try this and see how it is. They had a couple Kosas products that you could choose from for this box, so I went with their foundation, and they had a few shades that you could pick as well, which was nice. You can kind of get something that's going to work for you. So I have 3.5, which is fair light with neutral undertones, which is usually what I go for. And on the description, it says makeup meets skincare, a featherweight light to medium coverage foundation and deeply hydrating skin elixir. We'll have to see how this is. I don't know if 100% if it will work well for me because I do have oily skin. Sometimes these face oils work better for a drier skin type, but we shall see. This retails for $42, so I felt like that was a really good deal to get in the Boxycharm. Let me just put a little bit on my hand. Maybe I should shake it first. Ooh, yeah, that's super watery. Very liquidy. It feels lightweight though. It's gonna be like a your skin but better type of foundation, I feel like. But the color is amazing. But I could see this maybe looking a little bit oily on me, but I'll definitely have to try this out and see how it is. Let me know if you guys pick this as well. I'm very curious. I'm seeing something else from Fenty here. What is this? Oh, nice. We got the Brow MVP. This is fairly new, isn't it, from Fenty? It says Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. I did get the medium blonde shade. Hopefully this will work for me. It might. Let's see. I don't remember picking or signing up for any different colors, so I'm curious to see what colors they're going to send out. I'm always super wary about that. All right, let's see the color. Okay, I think this will work. It is pretty light on the skin. Really excited to be able to try Fenty's brow pencil, so that's very exciting to get it in the premium box. This retails for $20. Okay, so next I got from Laura Geller, I got a lip gloss. I'm not a huge fan of Laura Geller just because I see their stuff at TJ Maxx so much for like $3 to $5. It's very like cheap now. Like it kind of cheapened the brand a lot. I think they went bankrupt or something like that, didn't they? I don't even know if they're back, but this is the 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Lipstick. I am kind of excited that it is a liquid lipstick because I like to try different formulas and see which ones are good. This color isn't my favorite kind of shade. It's kind of a medium rosy pink. A little bit dark for what I like and too pink for me, but I'll try it out. This retails for $21, but like I said, I just don't consider Laura Geller that high-end anymore these days. I will try the formula out and see how it is. All right, I did get, it looks like a palette. This is the Illuminati X Isa Glam palette designed by Isabel Bedoya. I have not heard of this brand at all before, so let's open this up. The packaging is pretty. It kind of reminds me of like Lunar Beauty. The Strawberry Dreams palette kind of looks like that. The colors in here are kind of fun though. So I'm very intrigued. I was like, I don't know if I'm going to keep this, but now looking at it, it's really pretty, honestly. But it does kind of seem a little bit all over the place. I don't like they have the pastels, and then it looks like these warm colors. I feel like these don't really go together. I kind of wish they would do like more all pastels. That would have been cool. Let me go ahead and swatch some. I'm super curious about this purple dream shade. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. It looks like that would be such a pretty just like lid topper. Hopefully this is showing up on camera here. So pretty. This is Rai Rai. This pastel blue is kind of light. It's hard to do pastels. It has some shimmer in it. And then this is the lime green. They feel very soft though, so I'm curious to try this, but yeah, I'm not obsessed with the whole color scheme in general. I'd probably use the first row together and then the bottom 2 rows together for a look. This one retails for $48, so it's pretty pricey, which is kind of crazy for a brand I haven't heard of, but I guess indie makeup can sometimes be a little more expensive. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from them. I also got a product here from MURAD. This looks nice. This is a hydrating toner. I love the idea of this. I'm not really into getting a ton of moisturizers and stuff because I have so many, and I always feel like I get cleansers and moisturizers in these boxes, so it's nice to get a toner, something different. And I like that this one's hydrating because sometimes toners can be a bit drying on the skin. So this one looks really good. It retails for, let's see, $35, and yeah, it is alcohol free, which I love, and it's going to balance skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Really nice. I'm excited about that. I do like MURAD. I also got something from the brand Go To. This is the exfoliating SWIPEYS. Very interesting name. It says foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. I don't use a lot of these exfoliating pads because they seem to be a bit harsh. When I try them, at least, I've tried some from like Peter Thomas Roth and Pixie, and yeah, they just seem a bit much, but I don't know. I'm very curious about this brand. It looks kind of cute. The packaging is fun. This one retails for $35, and it says they are soaked in an all-natural solution to get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. It says it has lactic acid, which is good, and ultra-hydrating essential oils. I don't know about that. To create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines. And it somehow deeply moisturizes as well. I don't know about that. We shall see. On here, the ingredients that it lists, it does not list any essential oils on the ingredients, but if it is in there, they probably should put that on there. The top ingredients is water, lactic acid, and aloe vera, which are great. But yeah, I'm not seeing fragrance listed. But they definitely have some sort of a citrus oil in there, but they should probably list that on the ingredients. You guys have to let me know if you guys have tried it and what your experience is with that. I trust your guys' opinions on those, and I don't know, maybe I'll try it out for myself and see. But I don't love to combine an acid and then a highly potent essential oil in my skincare. I'm kind of trying to back off of most fragrance. I do a little bit here and there, but I know most of it is just kind of unnecessary. So that is going to be it for my Boxycharm Premium. I feel like we got a decent amount of products. We got a nice mix of makeup and skincare. I'm very excited for the Kosas foundation and the Fenty brow pencil. That was a nice surprise. I haven't been following the spoilers anymore these days because I just want to be surprised, and I'm always happier if I don't look at spoilers because I don't want to know what everyone else is getting, if they're getting better stuff than me, whatever. It just, I don't know, I'm just happier when I don't look. So I'm pleased with this one. I'm a little bit iffy about the eyeshadow palette and these wipes, but everything else seems to be pretty good. I'm happy I stayed with it this month because I feel like I got some pretty cool things, and I'm excited to play around with some of these products. So that is going to be it for this Boxycharm unboxing. I'll have my link down below if you guys want to sign up for this subscription, and let me know if you guys still want to see my regular box unboxing next week. Maybe I can do a purchased versus PR for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!